In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Elon Musk's Grok AI in the Twitter image generator. We'll go through the entire process from start to finish so you can create engaging images for your Twitter feed effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Google. This is where we'll begin our journey. Once you're on the Google homepage, you'll want to type Grok into the search bar. Grok is the tool developed by Elon Musk that we'll be using today. Once you hit enter, Google will present you with a list of search results. You should look for the official Grok website. It's usually one of the top links, so it shouldn't be difficult to find. Click on the link to visit the Grok website. After you've entered the Grok site, your next move is to navigate to the Imagine section. In most cases, you'll find this option prominently displayed on their website homepage or in the navigation panels. Click on Imagine to proceed. This is where the magic happens, taking you to the page where you can generate your Twitter images. Here, you'll have the opportunity to unleash your creativity. To get started, you need to create a prompt. A prompt is simply a description of what you want your generated image to look like. For instance, you might want to describe a particular scene or concept. Let's use the example, real dove in a dove soap box. Be clear and imaginative with your prompt, as this will influence the final outcome. Once you've crafted your prompt, it's time to move to the next step. Look for the Submit button, which sends your prompt to Grok's AI for processing. Click the Submit button to begin the image generation process. The AI will take a few moments to transform your description into a stunning visual representation. As you wait, it's interesting to note how Grok's sophisticated algorithms analyze your prompt to create an image that matches your vision. This cutting-edge technology is part of what makes Grok such a powerful tool for content creation, making it easier than ever to produce high-quality images for social media. And there you have it. In a few simple steps, you've used Elon Musk's Grok AI in the Twitter image generator to bring your vision to life. The image is now ready for you to use in your Twitter posts, ensuring your content stands out and engages your audience. Thank you for following along with this guide. We hope you found it helpful and inspiring. Remember, the possibilities with AI image generation are endless, so feel free to experiment and have fun with Grok. Until next time, happy creating!